Afternoon, everybody. So, wiring basic hell is almost completely done. So we have our temp sender, shrinked, wrapped, cased, hooked, followed through, all the way over to its relay. All the wiring is done, the connections for the power relay. So we have a breaker and a relay just to make sure that there's no issues ever. So when the AC goes on, we're gonna have power to keep the engine cool. We got all the power ran, taken care of, ground is taken care of, everything's done and taken care of. We've got all the radio stuff fixed, so that can be all taken care of. I've got a couple more wires I just wanna tuck up over here. We gotta route that bottom ground right there and clean up the mess. And we've got the vacuum line off the bottom of the carburetor all the way through and around to our vacuum advance.
Ooh, pretty.
Yeah, right? It's coming out really good. I'm surprised. So I tucked everything up so that there wouldn't be any issues of it falling down and getting on the header and burning up. Tucked it over to here and then routed the starter over and put a nice big bend in the wires so that it will stay away from the exhaust. So once we get this done for vacuum, Bobby can actually, you can actually try and start the car.
Yeah, probably here in a little bit.
So we just got to get the vacuum plug for the bottom of the carburetor because I couldn't find one to put it in or put one in it.
Huh? I'm sorry, I was reading something.
No, that's okay. Reading? Wait a minute. Who taught you how to read? I haven't even taught you colors yet. You still think down is up.
And he also thinks left is right.
This is true. The little nipple that comes out of the bottom of the carburetor, that screw-in port that goes to the vacuum advance, I couldn't find a nipple to screw in there.
Okay, I'll deal with that.
Okay, so you're good then. But on that note, ladies and gentlemen, it's, right? So that'll be it. Bye, Felicia.